Girish, in the last few days, the things that has happened exactly, especially in Congress party. How do you see this? Especially they suddenly तुमका सांगना असताना मध्ये suddenly गेले and now have been criticizing Congress sitting on a up desk.
See, it's always the individual aspirations and the individual greed that comes over the party. That time such things happens. So when we work, we should work for the party interest and the larger interest of Goa. If you have that thing in the mindset, then I don't think such things can happen. But I'm seeing the positive side that a lot of people are joining these days to the Congress. Then not from only political field, from other fields also. The leaders from other fields also are joining the Congress party. So I see the positive part is that the people are slowly realizing that Congress is the only ultimate force in Goa to defeat BJP. People are also realizing that BJP is well equipped to have various groups during the political parties when the elections are emerging. It's not the first time. In the past, all the elections, just before the elections, BJP is managing, and various other groups will emerge to fight against BJP. They will project that they are against BJP. Ultimately, the godfather is BJP. The BJP itself creating the various groups so that they divide the Congress votes.
Girish, तू जेन्ना you talk time and again BJP म्हणटा आयज जे तुमच्या अगेन्स्ट गेल्या पळय ते आनी आपाक जॉयन जाल्या ते म्हणटा कितें की इट वॉज गिरीश ओनली हू यूज टू टेल देम टू से दॅट आप इज बी टीम ऑफ BJP. ती ते मोतीन केन्ना नाशिल्लें लायक आयज प्रतिमान प्रेस कॉन्फरन्साक म्हण सडनली आनी दीस इज गिरीशाक लागून गिरीश म्हणूंक सोदतालो गिरीश सांगतालो म्हणून. हाऊ वूड यू रिएक्ट ऑन दॅट?
So, when Pratima joined Aam Aadmi Party, the Aam Aadmi Party is similar like BJP. They are functioning under. Now, what to speak, they give in writing.
ते म्हणटा तूं बरोवन दितालें म्हणून.
We don't have that culture. Now, she never consulted even us when, before going to the media. Even we used to tell her, and she used to talk her own things specially. We don't have. Yesterday, while speaking, after joining the Aam Aadmi Party, she said she has travelled by rickshaw from the airport. Now, I was staying in Delhi for 7 years, and on both the airports, you don't get rickshaws. To get a rickshaw, you have to spend 15 minutes to walk, and then you get rickshaw. So it was very clear that the script was given to them, what to speak, that she was travelling by rickshaw, and the rickshawala told her that how Aam Aadmi Party and how. So it's a self-glorification. And when people are joining new, they give. So now a lot of people are joining Congress these days. We don't tell them what to speak. So it should come naturally. So Pratima now will have to learn to tell lies. So yesterday she was actually caught. Everyone realized, those who are in Delhi, that when you land on Delhi airport, you don't get rickshaw till you walk for 15 minutes. And she and Mamre, the state president of BJP, they assume that they have walked for 15 minutes to get a rickshaw. Or Kejriwal might have sent a rickshaw directly to pick them up from the VIP area, because there is also VIP area where all the VIP vehicles come. So that rickshaw might have sent. So this is the one example I am giving. That Pratima will have to learn to speak lies. You can't just spontaneously speak lies. Then this type of things comes.
Girish, don't you think so? This has come as a sudden surprise for you also. Not informing your party leaders, not informing your supporters, not informing who have worked for you at the ZP and all. And then suddenly doing this, what could be the reason you feel?
Whenever a person commits suicide, that person never consult anybody. if he consult and speak with anyone before committing a suicide, that person will never commit suicide.
So this is a harakiri.
This is complete suicide. What she has done is a suicide because she has not consulted even her closest persons.
काय म्हणटा तुमकां कन्सल्ट केलेले जाल्यार तुमी वसोंक दिवचे नाहले.
How it is, if her this thing is so strong, then it's easy, no? Nobody can convince her. Correct? So she should have consulted before somebody close who stood by her during the difficult times. I spoke to all of them. All were taken by surprise with her decision. So it looks like it's a suicide. So any person when he commits suicide, he does not talk to anybody, he commits suicide. Otherwise, that suicide never happens.
Was she used in politics for the sake of certain leaders like this? She said, use and throw म्हणटा पळय तशें. Because even when she was not willing to contest, she was forced to contest.
See, I've contested several elections for the sake of party. When it comes to party cadre, see, many individuals contest election for their self. Sometimes you have to contest election for the sake of party against. I was asked to contest Panji. I know what I was asked to contest the election in North Goa, where I was never interested. In both the cases I refused and I gave them alternate candidate also. But I never, after losing, because I contested for the party, I was knowing that I am losing. But sometimes you have to contest for the sake of party. And I did that, but I never complained against anybody. I have discussed whatever happened during both the election and party forum.
Yes, what happens now when such type of incidents happen? How would you gain confidence in people who are especially real Congress voters? Because हो येता वो वयता हो येता कितें जाता लोकांच्या मनान तो आतां भंय उरलाय बाबा काँग्रेसूय तशेंच जाल्या आनी वाय वी शूड वोट. हाऊ वूड यू गेन दॅट कॉन्फिडन्स? बिकॉज एके सायडच्यान यू आर ट्रायंग टू बिल्ड इट अप इन योर वेज, ट्रायंग टू पीपल जॉयनींग काँग्रेस. एट द सेम टायम जे तुमचें आसता पळय ते कितें कितें एलिगेशनां करता तुमचेर आनी दुसरे कडेन जॉयन जाता. हाऊ वूड यू सी दीस?
These allegations have no meaning when these allegations are done on the platform of our opponents. Now today what she speaks by sitting on the Aam Aadmi platform does not have any meaning, because the script is given by Aam Aadmi Party. Those who join BJP, the script is given by the BJP leaders. Now, in spite of all this, the people started joining Congress Party. Various leaders are joining Congress Party. So these things who are living when the party was going through difficult time, they are going for their selfish motive, selfish benefit. And it does not affect, it pains us, but it will not affect us. If one Pratima goes, 10 Pratimas will be created in the Congress Party.
At one point of time, we can say is that you have 6 months or 7 months down the lane as far as assembly elections are concerned. 5 MLAs you have, 4 to 5 MLAs you have. How is it difficult task for Girish now to build up this, to see that at least you gain confidence among people and majority of MLAs come from your side?
See, definitely the difficulty was the day our 10 MLAs left. Reorganization party is not a difficult task which we have started. But most challenging is the winning the trust of the people. So our challenge is to win over the people. More than winning the elections. Now you know we have many ways to win the elections. But we want to win the elections by winning the people.
Have you all
First we want to win the people, and we can win the people only by winning the trust of the people.
Don't you think so people have been, especially those voters who vote for Congress party, have been taken for granted?
Why they have to be taken for granted?
Because तुमचे हितून कोण आसता ते मदें नान जाता आनी आतां.
See, these are the individual aspirations. When it becomes priority for the individuals, then the interest of Goa or the interest of party, such things bound to happen.
Even there have been still those question marks are being raised on your resignation issue. की एक फावट दिले पत्ते घेतले, दुसऱ्या दिले काय कितें जालें काय खबर ना, नेवो येतलो, मागीर मदें तुमच्या आमदारा मदें कुफुजां, So how all these things does the Congress party looks at?
कॉफीजाव तुगे तकलें आसतलें एक्चुअली आमचे तकलें कांय ना.
काय ना.
As long as new president does not come in place, I am the president. Although I have resigned, I am the president.
So finally next 6 months कशें आसतलें structure Congress?
We have already started working round the clock. We have already started visiting various constituencies. We are rebuilding the party. The membership is going on at booth level, and we are getting very good response. You can see every day somebody or other is joining the party.
You still maintain your statement like earlier you said 70 to 80% would be new faces few days back.
I am saying it loud and clear. This time, 70 to 80% of the people will be new faces and young faces, and that is what the people wants us to do. And we want to follow the path laid down by the people of Goa. We are just following what the people of Goa are telling us.
Would you like also your voters, your hardcore voters, who people goons to give you all feedback? बाबा ह्या अशें जाता म्हणून कितें दिवचें सांगचें पळय.
That is what we are doing right now. We are talking to the people. When I was moving during this municipality elections, RP election, house to house, I was listening to the people, and now also we have started communicating with the people. And we follow the agenda of the people. Gone are the days where party is to set the agenda and people is to follow. Now people set the agenda and we follow.
One more thing Pratima today in a press conference said की आपाचें आनी तेजें वोटींग एकटें जाल्यार तें जिखपाचें. Is it तेजें वोट वता काँग्रेसाचें वोट वता?
Pratima still has not understood the game of politics. In game of politics, 2 plus 2 cannot become 4. Either it can become 6 or 7, or it may become 0 also, or it can become 1 also. So the arithmetic of politics is different. So if she has gone with AAP thinking that what she got and what votes AAP got if combined, so if this mathematics does not work in politics.
Pratima also said that 6 months before she had offered for joining up. That was brought to your notice.
See,
Even today she told us that.
No, if that was the thing, I meant you are in talks with other political party. When you are a member of one political party and your loyalty is with some other political party, it's very dangerous. Now also for Aam Aadmi Party also to have such people is dangerous. That people with having a, the दोन पायांचेर आमी ओळ्यांचेर पांय दवरता म्हणटा पळय, that is, such people are dangerous. You have to be either this side or that side. You cannot be on all the sides of it. Thank you.